This is not Gary, this is plantain swallow, and let me show you how to make it. First you need your plantains. I am using unripe plantain, and this is how I cut it. You want to take out the head and the tail, or the tail and the head, vice versa, and you want to throw that away. Then you want to cut your plantains into 2 to 3 pieces each, but I recommend cutting one plantain into 3 pieces. That way it can get done faster. Then you want to boil it in just water without salt. You want to boil it for at least 15 minutes. That's how long at least it takes to get done. Then you want to peel off the cover of the plantains, and once you've peeled that off, put them into your blender. For this, I'm using my industrial blender, so you want to put them into your blender. You can put a little water, but I didn't put any water in this. If you put the water, it's going to make it softer, it's going to make it fluffier, but well, I'm a food lump. I didn't put any drop of water. I wanted this as thick as possible, and in like 2 minutes it was ready. And this is me scooping it out so you guys can see how smooth and delicious and